November is here. We're nearing the end of the year and we are once again back with a monthly edition of the top 10 altcoins of the month. In this video, we will provide you with 10 altcoins that we think have huge potential to rise this month and of course the bull run that is set to appear very soon. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, @CryptoGems, for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Friends, let's dive straight into the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're back with the top 10 altcoins of the month and we are in November right now. We are coming to the end of Q4 2024 and therefore we are about to begin 2025 in just a couple of months' time. So are you ready to stock up your portfolio before the big bull run? Because I know I'm continuously dollar cost averaging into this bear market until we reach that bull run. So I'm going to list you 10 altcoins, and although we could have listed so many more in this video, of course we're going to pick out some 10 favorites that we think have great potential for the coming bull run. However, if you are interested in other altcoins, we have other altcoins in previous months which you can check out our other monthly editions, of which we've been doing for almost 2 years now. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to be using 3 primary websites. First one is going to be the CoinMarketCap website, of which is coinmarketcap.com. Here we're going to go through all the cryptocurrencies and go through the prices and market caps and so on. And then of course we're going to use market cap of which we'll use to give some rough price predictions. However, occasionally we're going to use the Alt Crypto Talk website, of which we can provide you with some reviews, guides, news, and all information surrounding some of the cryptocurrencies that we may mention in this video. So friends, just bear in mind, none of these altcoins that we mention are in any particular order of my favorite. Therefore, the first one is not my favorite and the 10th one is not my least, and vice versa. So why don't we begin with the first altcoin of this video, and this is going to be possibly an obvious one and one that is a large cap, the 5th largest cryptocurrency of all time, and that is Solana. Solana is a key layer 1 blockchain, my friends, and I think it is going to be one of the biggest and best blockchains of the next bull run. It has already been one of the best performing blockchains over the last year. It has been flipping Ethereum in certain statistics as well, which is absolutely insane, and I personally don't see this stopping anytime soon. Meme coins on Solana seem to be absolutely thriving and it doesn't seem to be stopping. It consistently happens to be growing, and excluding meme coins, guys, Solana is a fantastic DeFi network with great potential to onboard millions if not billions of new users. So at the moment, Solana is currently priced at $178.34 with a market cap of $83.87 billion, ranking it the 5th largest crypto by market cap. Many people believe in the future that Solana could very well flip Ethereum. I don't know about that. However, I don't think it is impossible. Solana is a superb top tier network. Although it does face some congestions, it is one of the best cryptocurrencies. Now, Solana is listed on the biggest and best centralized exchanges. For those who don't know already, you can find it pretty much anywhere and you can buy it pretty much anywhere. Now, if you want to do more research on Solana, guys, we have an unbelievable amount of Solana reviews, guides, and news, all of which can be found on our website. So whether or not you're looking to understand what Solana is or whether or not you're looking to explore the ecosystem, all of this can be found on our website, just like I mentioned. So my friends, with the Solana token, it's seen an all-time high of $260 3 years ago in the previous bull run, which is down roughly 31%. Solana did fall down to a steep low price after the bull run, guys. It reached a low of around $9 to $10, which is absolutely insane. And for those who managed to grab Solana at those levels, made incredible gains over that time and are now up over 17x just from investing into Solana. Now, that isn't the case for everyone. However, Solana has been steadily rising over the last year, particularly. As we can see here, guys, the chart for Solana looks absolutely insane, and it looks like we are on its way to a new all-time high at the moment. Although we are still around $80 to $90 away from its previous all-time high, guys, we are not far off, and I personally believe in the bull run we could definitely break its previous all-time high. That's my personal opinion, and that's why we're now going to move over to market cap of, where my first stop for the Solana token would be for it to reach the market cap of BNB's all-time high at $110.44 billion. Now, I know this isn't much of a jump, it's only a 1.32x jump, but for a huge market cap of Solana, this is a very huge increase. Now, it isn't going to break its all-time high by reaching this sort of market cap. However, it is a good start and something I could see in the very early stages of a bull run. But let's just say we were to reach the peak of a bull run. In my personal opinion, where can I see the Solana token landing? Well, for me, I personally think that a good market cap for the Solana token is for it to reach the market cap of Ethereum's current market cap, which is at $320 billion, taking Solana up 3.82x to a price point of $680. Now, guys, I still think that this is quite conservative. I know you might think that this is a huge jump for Solana, but anywhere between $500 to $1,000, I know that's quite a big gap, is something that I would be aiming for the Solana token. To be honest, guys, if Ethereum can be in this sort of market cap right now, in this sort of bear market, why can't Solana reach a $320 billion market cap in a bull market with over $10 trillion in the overall market? Now, personally, I don't think there's anything stopping Solana from doing this. I personally see huge things coming to Solana, and I personally think that this sort of price point is not impossible whatsoever, and a 3.82x overall at the peak of a bull run is still quite conservative. So guys, we're going to move on to the second altcoin of this video, and this is going to be the first NEIRO on Ethereum, one of the newest meme coins that has risen to extreme heights. And as you can see, we've got a price point of 0.001 cents with a market cap of just under $700 million, and NEIRO is up over 35,000% according to CoinMarketCap. It is already in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. It's seen an all-time high of 0.0023 cents, of which it's now down 27%. This occurred 15 days ago, and therefore it wasn't that long ago where it achieved its previous all-time high. NEIRO is a new meme coin of which we've been covering on our website on the AltCryptoGems X page, and very recently, as you can see over on X, this was one of the calls that AltCryptoGems the legend made on NEIRO. So basically on the 25th of October, as you can see here, Jules said, NEIRO low has been swept and now a possible power of 3 is in the making. Pretty bullish on this. So here we can see, guys, he's given us some technical analysis for the NEIRO token. Then again, 3 days later, which was just 2 days ago of recording this video, here we can see, okay, slight change of plan, but actually it's even better. A longer manipulation on NEIRO over the weekend now finally seems to be expanding into the green zone. Looks pretty bullish, honestly. So as you can see here, guys, we're expected to see a huge pump. It's not obviously financial advice, and of course this may not happen, but according to the chart and according to technical analysis, we can see that there's a possibility of a huge rise coming for NEIRO. Now, in my personal opinion, guys, this is possibly one of the biggest and best meme coins that is yet to come into the bull run, and therefore getting in now on NEIRO could be a great opportunity. However, you can see that it is listed already on Binance, OKX, HTX, BitGet, and so on, but there is still more room for tier 1 centralized exchange listings, and this could take NEIRO to new heights. So once again, if we move over to market cap of, my first price prediction for the NEIRO token is for it to reach the market cap of Floki at $1.4 billion, taking it up 2x to a price point of 0.0033 cents. Now this is a price point for me as we start to enter a bull run. I honestly think it could reach a $1.5 billion market cap extremely easily. That is my personal opinion. But let's say we get more adventurous and we head a step above this. Where do I see the NEIRO token going? Well, if I told you it had the potential to reach the market cap of Shiba Inu, would you believe me? Well, me personally, I think this is entirely possible. This would take NEIRO up 15.7x to a price point of 0.0026 cents and a market cap of $11.1 billion. Not impossible. Meme coins drive up crazy amounts, and a 15x for NEIRO at the current market cap it's at is not impossible. So guys, once again, let's move on to the next altcoin on the list, and that is going to be the third, and that is going to be one of the largest DePIN protocols, Helium. Now, Helium is one of my favorite DePIN protocols out there. It has got a price point of $7 with a market cap of $1.19 billion, ranking it the 62nd largest crypto by market cap. It's seen an all-time high of $55.22 in the previous bull run of November 2021, and although we are still far away from that previous all-time high, in my opinion, it is not impossible to reach it once again. Over the last year, Helium has seen some great returns as it has risen over 360%. Personally, when the bull run comes, I think we're going to see it reach at least the double digits mark. That could mean anywhere between $10 to $55, just like it did in the previous bull run. And yet again, we are not far off. So we know that Helium is listed on some of the biggest, best centralized exchanges. It is still yet to be listed on Binance, so that could do wonders for the token. If you don't know what Helium is, we have got plenty of articles and reviews covering on our website, which you can see here. Deepin explained Solana devs plan X, Y, and Z. So in the future, we will cover a review on the Helium token and the protocol. But for now, if you want to understand what Deepin is and a rough guidance on what Helium is, follow us over on our website. But from here, I want to give you some rough price predictions for the HNT token, of which my first stop for the token is for it to reach the market cap of TAO at $3.84 billion, making Helium rise up 3.21x to a price point of $22.43. Now, this is quite conservative. I'm not saying this is going to be the last final price prediction I'm giving you, but this is a nice first stop for the Helium token once we see more retail investors enter the market, once we see a bullish narrative, and of course the Solana ecosystem start to thrive, because this is one of their tokens. However, if I was to go a step beyond this and go a step beyond OpenTensor, I would say that Helium could reach the market cap of Avalanche AVAX at $10.8 billion, taking Helium up 9x. Now, a $10 billion market cap in a multi-trillion-dollar overall industry is not impossible whatsoever for the Helium token, in my personal opinion, and therefore $63 for the Helium token is something I would be aiming for. This is above its previous all-time high in the last bull run. This is a slight step above that. However, it could very well exceed my expectations, but for me personally, anywhere between $55 to $75 would be a nice final stop for the HNT token at the peak of a bull run. So friends, once again, let's move on to the next altcoin on this video. And this is going to be the fourth altcoin, Cosmos Atom, which in my opinion is at an incredible low. There could be a great buying opportunity right now, and Cosmos is at an incredible discount. So at the moment, it's currently priced at $4.48 with a market cap of $1.75 billion. Now, in my personal opinion, I didn't think we'd ever see Cosmos reach under $5 again. However, I was incredibly wrong, and we are under $5. But me personally, I don't think this is the end for Cosmos. I don't think it is a dying network. In fact, I think it is an incredibly thriving network, but is just completely flying under the radar at the moment. Now, it hasn't really had a good year or two. However, there could be a moment of change where Cosmos Atom pumps to incredible heights, and this could be a great time to get in it. It has stood the test of time. It has been here for over 5 years. It has been developing its ecosystem at a rapid rate. Cosmos Atom is one that I've been in for a very long time. So it's seen an all-time high of $44.70, which occurred in the last bull run of September 2021, of which is now 10x away, give or take. So realistically, guys, if you were to look at it at the point from its current price to its previous all-time high, if you're a believer in Cosmos Atom, then of course a 10x jump could be a great maneuver for you. I'm not saying by any means necessary that it's going to reach its previous all-time high once again. I am a personal believer in the Cosmos ecosystem, and therefore that is why I've listed it in this video. And for those who don't know, Jules the Legend has a video on his trip to Dubai where he actually went to Cosmoverse. So I highly recommend giving this video a watch. It's great fun, and you will see Jules on his day-to-day in Dubai. However, on our website as well, we have so much content surrounding the Cosmos ecosystem, its network, its protocol, its token, everything you would need to know about Cosmos. So feel free to check out our website surrounding the Cosmos network and ecosystem. However, where do I see the Cosmos token going in the future? So as a Cosmos believer, I personally believe Atom can reach the market cap of the SUI token at $5.6 billion, taking Atom up 3.24x. Now, this is a quite conservative price prediction in my opinion. If we're starting to emerge into a bull run and we're seeing more retail investors, this to me, a $14.51 price point is very, very possible. But like I said with all the others, I want to give you a price prediction of something I could see at the peak of a bull run. And for me, Cosmos Atom, in my opinion, could very well break its previous all-time high, as I personally believe the technology and the network behind it and the community behind it has the potential to take it to those prices. So that's why I personally could see Cosmos Atom reaching the market cap of Doge at $25.3 billion, Call me crazy, guys, but something like this is entirely possible for Cosmos Atom as a thriving layer 1 blockchain and ecosystem. As we see more adoption for the Cosmos network, this could very well happen, taking Atom up around 15x to a price point of $65. Now, although this isn't conservative, guys, and some of you may disagree, I personally believe this could happen, and therefore that is why it's my price prediction. But yet again, I am not a financial advisor and I do not give any financial advice. However, anywhere between $50 to $70 for the Atom token is something I would be hoping for. But once again, let's move on to the next altcoin, which is going to be GFAL, which is games for a living, and we've covered this a few times on our YouTube channel. For those who don't know what games for a living is, it's an ecosystem of games which are designed to be play to earn. They are creating a thriving ecosystem. One of the founders is the co-founder of EA, which is Electronic Arts, the same founder who brought you Star Wars Battlefront, the same founder who brought you Lord of the Rings games, FIFA, NFL Madden, so many games, guys. EA is a huge company and now they have entered the world of Web3 under Games for a Living. At the moment, Games for a Living is a smaller cap cryptocurrency, guys, so compared to the other ones that we've mentioned, this is on the smaller spectrum. It's got a price point of just over 1 cent with a market cap of $36.9 million. Recently, it had a huge spike. As you can see, over the last month, it reached a price point of 2.5 cents, give or take, of which it's now down roughly 40%. The GameFi narrative is yet to appear once again, guys. Once it does, Games for a Living and other GameFi tokens are yet to explode. In my personal opinion, I think GFAL is completely underrated and could be a top tier GameFi token in your portfolio. It has seen an all-time high of 5 cents or just under, which occurred a year ago in 2023. This is a relatively new cryptocurrency. It's never seen a bull run before, and in my opinion, once it does experience a bull run, we could see some major pumps. But at the moment, it's not even listed on any tier 1 exchanges. It's listed on BitGet, Mexi, BingX, Bitmart, and so on. However, we are yet to see it on Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Bybit, and many other centralized exchanges. So my friends, if you are interested in GFAL or learning about GFAL, let us know because we would be happy to create a review on our YouTube channel or even a written up article. But my friends, my first stop for the GFAL token is for it to reach the market cap of Pixels at $141.67 million, taking GFAL up 7.58x to a price point of just under 9 cents, exceeding its previous all-time high. Now, to be honest with you, $141 million market cap is extremely small for GFAL, and something like this is extremely possible. If I was to go a step beyond this, I personally could see GFAL reaching the market cap of the WeMix token at $330 million, taking GFAL up 17.7x. Now guys, although it could go way beyond this if we see major adoption for GFAL and of course we see more games developed in the ecosystem, however, something like this is something I would love to see for the GFAL token, and although this isn't extremely conservative, I personally think that this is a great price prediction and we could very well see it exceed this sort of price point. But friends, a 21 cent price point or a 30 cent price point is something I would be hoping for GFAL. However, let's move on to the 6th altcoin of this video, and that is going to be another micro-cap crypto gem, and that is the Real.io network with its token Rio. We have covered Rio in the past, and for those who don't know what it is, you can do more research on our website, of which you can check out our Real.io network review that I wrote myself on the Alt Crypto Talk website. Here you can find out everything you need to know about Real.io. If you want us to make a video, then let us know in the comment section down below. However, in the past, we have mentioned Real.io before. But in my personal opinion, I think this is one of the finest RWA crypto gems flying under the radar, only listed on one tier 1 centralized exchange, obviously OKX. However, we are yet to see it on many other major centralized exchanges. Now, Real.io has had a fairly good year over the last year. We can see that it is up over 207%. Therefore, we could be seeing some more adoption for Real.io in the background, but not many people seem to know about this token. In my personal opinion, I think it is fantastic and one worth doing your research on. And in the past, we can see that on the left-hand side, it's achieved an all-time high of $17,000. That is completely wrong, but around here, we can see that it achieved a rough all-time high of, let's just say, $3.81. Now we are down roughly $3 away from that price point, and there is a lot of room for growth, around 7x from its current all-time high at the moment. but this to me is a price point that we could easily achieve once again, and therefore over on market cap of, I would say the first stop for the Real IO token would be for it to reach the market cap of ThorSwap Thor at $33.7 million, taking RIO up 6.39x to a price point of $5. Now guys, that is just a small market cap as well, $33 million from $5 million. That is over a 6x, however, it is a huge jump, especially for the potential behind Real IO network. This to me is entirely possible, but I wanted to give you a more exciting price prediction, and therefore the next step up would be for RIO to reach the market cap of the Polyhedron network at $70.1 million, taking RIO up 13.3x to a price point over $10, reaching that double-digit mark. Now for me guys, I know $70 million is still extremely small and it could definitely do way beyond this, but something around this sort of price point, $10.69 to $25 for the RIO token in the coming bull run is what I will be hoping for. Guys, this is one of the best RWA micro-cap crypto gems in my opinion. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but moving on to the next altcoin of this video. And this is going to be IOTX with the ticker IOTX, currently priced at 4 cents with a market cap of just under $400 million. IOTX has seen an all-time high of 26 cents, which occurred in the last bull run of November 2021. And IOTX has been around for a very long time. They've survived bear and bull markets, and yet again we are here for another bull market. Now in my opinion, over the last year they have been doing very well, over 77% risen. However, in the next bull run, I personally think we are going to see a huge spike for this token. I think we are preparing for something huge. They have been developing, they have been growing their partners, they have been consistently marketing, they have been consistently building and building. So IOTX is one that I would highly recommend researching. You can check out more information on our website. However, IOTX is one of the finest DePIN protocols. Centralized exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase, there is room for more, I personally believe. However, what we're going to do is from here, we're going to move over to market cap of. And this is where I'm going to provide you with my first price prediction for IOTX to reach the market cap of the Theta network at $1.2 billion, taking IOTX up 3x to a price point of 12 cents. This is roughly, give or take, 50% of its previous all-time high, and this is not a full bull run price prediction, but something I could see as we start to enter a bull run. But let's say we're at the peak of a bull market and we are starting to see the DePIN narrative at its peak. Where do I see the IOTX token going? Well, my big and final price prediction for IOTX, in my personal opinion, would be for it to reach the market cap of ICP, the internet computer, at $3.8 billion, taking IOTX up just under 10x to a price point of 40 cents. Anywhere between 30 to 50 cents for IOTX, in my opinion, is a nice price prediction and something it could very well do and very well easily do, in my opinion. However, once again, let's move on to the next altcoin, and that is going to be the 8th altcoin of this video, and this is Nakamoto Games. Nakamoto Games has got a price point of $1.09 with a market cap of $101 million. Over the last year, it's been a bit shaky, but it has been up 17%. However, this is probably because the GameFi narrative hasn't really had a time this year, but I personally believe in 2025, the GameFi narrative is yet to appear once again. This will take tokens such as GFAL, NAKA, and other huge GameFi tokens up to new highs, and therefore Web3 gaming could be a thing of the future, and getting in early now on GameFi tokens with a small market cap and major potential could be a great option. Obviously, that's not financial advice, and it urges you to conduct thorough research. However, Nakamoto Games has seen an all-time high of $7, which occurred in the previous bull run of 2021. So, for those who don't know, it's actually seen its time in the market, it has stood the test of time, and it is still here. They are consistently developing, and they have an enormous array of games on their ecosystem. For those who don't know what Nakamoto Games is and you would like to conduct some more research, around a year ago we made a tutorial and gameplay video surrounding Nakamoto Games. So for those who are interested, you can watch this video, but it is quite outdated, so we probably need to make a new video. However, if you want that, let us know in the comment section down below. But over on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, NAKA is only listed on Bybit, the tier 1 centralized exchange. However, has so much more room for growth on centralized exchanges such as Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance, and many others such as OKX and so on. But Where do I see the NAKA token going, knowing that we've got serious opportunities for centralized exchange listings, the GameFi narrative, and the coming bull run? Well, I personally see NAKA reaching the market cap of step-in GMT at $400 million, taking NAKA up 5.66x to a price point of $6.17. This is a beautiful first stop for NAKA if we start to see the GameFi narrative in full force. This is extremely possible, but let's say we're in a bull run, the GameFi narrative is thriving like we've never seen it before, then I would say NAKA has the chance to reach the market cap of the Sandbox at $615 million, taking NAKA up 8.69x to a price point of $9.48. Now, you might still think this is quite conservative, and I definitely think it is quite conservative, but this is something I would be hoping for. Anywhere between $9 to $15 for the NAKA token would be a beautiful stop in my opinion. So guys, let's move on to the 9th altcoin of this video, and this is going to be an exciting one known as Stacks. And Stacks is the layer 2 blockchain behind the Bitcoin network. Stacks is an incredible network that I highly recommend researching and checking out. We have covered Stacks very much so on our YouTube channel and on our website, of which you can conduct some more research. As you can see, we've got an article on Stacks where I explain exactly what it is, and Stacks was even the coin of the week on week 15, of which Richard Nazar, the legend, provided technical analysis for this token. If you would like to see updates on the Stacks token, whether it comes to technical analysis or reviews or whatever it may be, let us know in the comment section down below. However, this is the leading layer 2 network for the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin is obviously the leading blockchain. It needs support when it comes to layer 2 networks so that we can get major adoption, and Stacks is here to do that. They have had an incredible year, rising over 194%, and I personally believe once the bull run comes, and of course Bitcoin is thriving at its 100k mark, hopefully anyway, we will see Stacks reach some major highs, and it is already the 31st largest crypto by market cap, with a price point of $1.85 and a market cap of $2.77 billion. So, it isn't just a small cap crypto gem with nothing behind it. It is listed on huge centralized exchanges, it's got major partners, and is thriving to become the leading layer 2 behind Bitcoin. So, it's seen an all-time high of $3.84, which occurred 7 months ago this year, so that wasn't long ago at all. And like I said, it has been a great year for Stacks. We are on the decline, but now that Bitcoin is up and away, we could very well see Stacks do the same thing, and hopefully it does. So, over a market cap of, my first stop for the Stacks token is for it to reach the market cap of the Chainlink token Link at $7.5 billion, taking Stacks up 2.7x to a price point of just around $5. This to me is entirely possible and it is near its previous all-time high. I think this could happen very, very soon. If it happened 7 months ago, it could happen any moment once again. But let's just say we're at the peak of a bull run and I'm giving you an adventurous price prediction. I would say that Stacks has the potential to reach the market cap of Cardano ADA at $12.8 billion, taking Stacks up 4.6x to a price point of $8.54. Now friends, I still think this is extremely conservative, and for a leading layer 2 network for the leading layer 1 blockchain, this sort of market cap is not impossible whatsoever, and I could be completely way off, and this could very well do a 10, 15 or even 20x if all goes well. But we will need to see some major adoption take place for this to happen. We will need to see a thriving bull run. We will need to see Bitcoin at least at 100k in my personal opinion. But anywhere between $8.50 to $20 for the Stacks token is something I would be dreaming for. Guys, let's move on to the 10th, final and last altcoin of this video, and that is going to be one of my favorite cryptocurrencies out there, known as TokenFi. And TokenFi is the sister project to the legendary meme coin Floki. If you don't know what TokenFi is, I highly recommend doing your research on this all-in-one RWA, AI, and multi-utility cryptocurrency. Honestly, TokenFi is a superb protocol to do your research on. It is up over 88,000% since its inception, apparently, according to CoinMarketCap. In the last year, it's up over 151%. This is an altcoin that we've been talking about for a very long time, and we even told you about it before this huge spike up. So if you got in early on the TokenFi protocol, you would have made some serious gains. But once again, due to rough market conditions, we are down to around 4.5 cents. But it's seen an all-time high of 24 cents, like I mentioned 7 months ago, and this is a token we have consistently been discussing. If you don't know what TokenFi is, on our website you can check out a lot of information regarding the TokenFi protocol, of which I give you a full review on what TokenFi is. I also show you how to stake TokenFi and Floki tokens. all of which will generate you some passive income. Also on our YouTube channel, I gave you 10 reasons as to why TokenFi can 100x, which I made that video 5 months ago. And again, I gave you some guides on how to stake TokenFi and Floki. So TokenFi is a huge protocol to be aware of. It has got a small market cap. It has not been listed on Binance or many centralized exchanges or tier ones for that matter. It is listed on Bybit, but I personally believe we're going to see it listed on Binance due to its huge ties with Floki and Floki's huge ties with Binance. This to me is inevitable and something I think we'll see in the bull run, especially once we see the RWA narrative kick in. I think TokenFi will be one of the key tokens that will be listed by many centralized exchanges. So once again, for the last time of this video, we are going to move over to market cap of, where my first price prediction will be for TokenFi to reach its previous all-time high of give or take 24 cents, which would mean it would need to reach the market cap of XDC at $418 million. Something like this, a 5x, is entirely possible for a first stop. If we can see it happen in a bear market 7 months ago, what's stopping it from happening very soon as we start to enter a bull run? Me personally, I don't think anything is stopping it from doing that. In fact, it could happen any moment now if we see some bullish news. But if we were to go one step beyond this, at the peak of a bull run, what is my updated price prediction for the TokenFi token? Well, me personally, I could see it reaching the market cap of Ondo Finance at $1 billion. Call me insane, but this is something I would love to see and something I personally think we will see. TokenFi is an all-in-one cryptocurrency with huge potential, a massive, enormous, great team behind it, obviously the Floki team, and therefore it could jump up 13x to a price point of 57 cents. And in my opinion, anywhere between 50 cents to $1 is entirely possible and something I am hoping to see. So guys, that is all of my price predictions for the 10 altcoins in this video. If you enjoyed them, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because it really shows support on our channel. If you have any questions surrounding any of these cryptocurrencies in this video, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'd be happy to surround some news, reviews, guides, or even some technical analysis from some professional traders if that is what you desire. Guys, it's all about you. We provide content for you 5 days a week at the minimum. We appreciate you all so much and we can't wait to see you in the next video. But remember, I am not a financial advisor and I do not give any financial advice. And we also have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.